Welcome, lovelies. Another segment of Ask Lousje. We are on the couch and we have some good questions again to answer. Okay, welcome, lovelies. Here we are. A great response to last week. Lots of good comments and lots of women coming to the boutique who like this segment. So we are fired up for another segment. And let's look back at how the week was in the boutique. We had some excitement happening. We had the beautiful creases that we unboxed and styled. We had Liverpool and up really cute pieces, different pieces, nice jeans jackets, great up pants, which we haven't carried for a while, and here we are, we have them and they're beautiful. And some of these necklaces came in beautiful spring colors, and this is one of them, a turquoise, bright turquoise. We love these necklaces because you can wear them long stranded, double, or like I've just done it now with a few strands. You can just wind them and wind them. And oh my goodness, an amazing rainbow of Dolcezza scarves that we love so much, and you do too, gifted in the beautiful little boxes, right, with the story of the artist on the back. Great gift. Mother's Day is not that far away. So that was the excitement in the boutique. And in my personal life, drywall is finished. It's now being taped, and taping takes a lot of time. We thought it would be faster, but there's these two lovely women that are taping. Kristen and I are going in as soon as they're finished, and we will do a little walkthrough because the house looks totally different. So that was exciting in my life. I'm going to answer some questions now. Tracy, you gave us two really good questions. And one of them was how to style. You said you have a brown belt and a black belt. The belt in question is the Gunna belt. That's the belt that we carry in the boutique. Have been carrying it for a while now. And the beauty of this belt is that it has two domes here on either side. So you can unsnap it and move it close. And then of course if you do the same thing on the other side, the belt moves up a bit and then it comes higher in your waist, or when you undo it, it is lower on your hips, which is a great way of using one belt in different ways. The belts are sized. I'm wearing a small plus, and they come in small plus, medium plus, up until a large plus. Lots of different sizes for all you lovelies. What I really like about this belt too is the ring. This in particular one she hammered. There's a little hammered design on it. Sometimes they're just plain beautiful matte silver color. While I'm talking, Kristen will show you a few pictures that I, of course, you know, the tank dress where we usually show this belt on is a given, right? You can wear it beautifully like I'm wearing. You can wear it with an open jacket, with a cropped boxy foxy top from Lousje Bean. It's a short little top, and then to have this belt low on your hips, it's a great look. I also like it, and I particularly like the brown. It's kind of a rugged leather. It's definitely not finished shiny. It's beautiful. I love that brown collar belt with denim. I think the denim and that brown go fantastic. So I styled it up with a pair of jeans, a white t-shirt and the brown belt. I think it's a really cool look. And I did two other stylings with the belt. I have the Oceanco jumpsuit. It's the Northern Lights pattern, and the jumpsuit is amazing on its own. As you can see, Kristen shows you a picture. But the way I wore it, I feel when you wear a belt, everything is casualized. It's dressed down. So you wear the jumpsuit, you could wear it to an elegant affair. When I would wear it casual, I would wear the belt. And then I wore the Oceanco dress in the ocean print. And the same thing counts for the dress, right? It's kind of elegant and a bit dressy. And then when you wear the belt, it's more casual. Those are the different ways of showing a belt. You can, wear it with a prairie skirt, a layered skirt with a t-shirt, and wear the belt. I showed you these in particular because it shows quite a few ways you can wear the belt in different way than with a tank dress. I hope that answers your question. And then the other question you asked me was a way to dress when you're tall. How to dress when you're tall, and particularly pants. That was a little difficult for me to show because, as everybody knows, all you lovelies, I'm 5'1", sometimes 5'2", as Tessa says, but I'm not tall by any means. So when we took the pictures, I stood on my little Dutch footstool that I use in the kitchen when I cannot reach things. and I felt very different being up that high. But anyway, it was kind of a joke which Kristen suggested, and I thought it was fun. So one of the things that taller women, as I've said, I'm not tall, so I don't speak from experience, but I'm speaking from dressing women all different shapes and sizes, right? When you want to look a little bit not so tall, horizontal stripes, I mean, everybody knows this, horizontal stripes bring you down a little bit. So it's great to wear a little t-shirt, horizontal stripe. You can wear a little jacket over, which I did in the picture, and I'm wearing it with a long skirt. It breaks you up a little. So yes, the horizontal stripes, if you're taller, and your torso is usually taller too, right? You can wear it beautifully with basically anything, any bottoms. To go to the bottoms though, long pants, beautiful. Like we have an array of long linen pants always in the summertime. All our jeans are long. They're always too long for us, for Tessa and me, and we cuff them or we cut them. But you always measure the inseam, right? And then you can see how long the legs are. I even like a long pants if it fits us to here. It fits you just above the ankle. It's a beautiful look in the summer. I find it tight or loose. It's a beautiful look when you're tall. I'm sure you've seen Tessa and I do it so often. If the pant is too long, we cuff it because we like to show a little ankle, right? Even in the winter time with a little booty. So in length of skirts, length of dresses, length inseam of pants, we always measure, and it's always there next to the article, right? The measurements. So the other thing that you can really wear beautifully is substantial scarves and substantial necklaces, like the majestic necklaces that we are carrying with the big circles or squares at the end of the cord, or substantial scarves. I find the Krisa scarves are quite substantial. You will wear that beautifully because you have all this beautiful body to work with. So the other thing that I like to point out is the coffee wrap that I'm wearing. I'm wearing it in a color that is quite, it really suits me. It really is my color. It's the oatmeal. Of course, this wrap is amazing for you too, because you can wear it, wrap it, you can do all kinds of things with it. And then I'm showing you also color blocking, because color blocking is a really good way of breaking up your body. So color blocking is like one color at the bottom, one totally different color at the top. So black and white or black and red, or, well, I don't have to go on, you get the picture, right? With a tall body, you will do that beautifully. And I find it an exciting look, actually. I find it a really good look. I hope I answered your question. It was a little difficult for me, but I think I tried. I tried really hard, and I think I got most of it for you, to give you some ideas of what to look for and what to add to your wardrobe. So next week also watch for new Majestic. We're going to do a beautiful, very, very exciting Majestic top, and also new Siska. Amazing, bright, amazing colors. And then the other exciting thing next week is we have a few more creation dresses being dropped and styles. Very summery. So yes, lovelies, that is what we are looking forward to next week. And today is a beautiful sunny day. It's two more days and then it's Valentine's Day. And happy Valentine's to all you lovelies. I will catch you next week on my couch. Keep on smiling.